So, I heard you want to put the car inside the garage and take it apart. Well, no can do. We don't want to get mice or rats in the workshop. Imagine eating away your cables or air hoses or stuff like that. That's not good. But first, it's time for protection. We found the grill. It was sitting in the boot because the car itself came without the grill. As you can see, the front light is actually broken, so I don't think there will be a replacement in the boot for that, but let's carry on. Okay, so here we can see the condition of the car. Yuck. This is what I've been telling you guys. You see, as you can see right here, we have scuffed up tarp. It's probably, and also a lot of hair. This was probably from some animals. We also see some nuts here. I don't think this came with the car. And here we have a hole with, I think something old. I think someone tried to fix it with this, but it didn't work because some animal just ate right through. You can actually see it pretty good here. So something has been living in here. So this is why we wear gloves and masks. We don't want to inhale this. We want to get rid of this as fast as possible because, as I said before, you don't want to put this in your garage and then have all the animals crawl into your garage and in your house. So this would be pretty bad. Get this tarp in the trash bag and then proceed cleaning up this area, taking out the spare wheel so we can see what's actually underneath it. Then we will proceed to the cabin itself. That will be a whole another challenge, but first things first. So we have now actually taken everything out the car itself. As we can see, there are a lot of stuff left. This needs to be vacuumed out. Little vents, so this is probably where the animals came through, like through this bit here, there. Also have some rust holes here. This stuff is okay. I'm still going to have to take it out because we have to see what's behind it. It doesn't look so promising. Okay. Oh. As you've seen, this car has been painted and they didn't do a really good job. You can see the respray here. Also, the colors don't match, as you can clearly see on areas like this. When you have two coats of different colors. Here's a good example. You see old color underneath and then the old oxidized color outside. The window seal has given up, but gladly the car has been sitting in a barn, so the water would just go underneath the seal and start eating away the A-pillar and this bit here. What we want to do right now is take out the seats. We found more evidence that someone has been living in. As you can see, this is all food from animals. We also have more stuff down here, more food on the floor, just everywhere. You see the light peeping through the carpet there. Okay, here someone has been eating away some stuff. So what we want to do is remove a carpet a little bit. See, we have bolts here and there. Undo them. With one seat out, we can now take on the driver's seat. Do you see the sparkly stuff on the floor? Well, it's the ground. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you next time. Take care.